In this video, I'm going to show you one of the utility within the PowerToys tool named as Power Rename. Now, what does this tool does? It allows you to rename the files in bulk. Now, imagine that you have got a dump of files, say XLSX file or maybe PNG file or JPEG file, and if you have received say 1,000 of that, and if you want to rename that file, but you can't rename it one by one, right? So if you want to rename it, then you can make use of this particular utility. Now there are some things which you can do in Bare Explorer without using PowerToys tool, like just by holding a shift key and then renaming all the file at once. That can be done in File Explorer, but this goes way beyond that. Power Rename allows you to use regular expressions. It allows you to manipulate the file name as well as extension and also the text formatting. Okay, now let's see it in action. Like as you see in the screen over here, this is kind of an interface which gets opened, and then you can put whole sort of command within it. So let me go into the PowerToys tool and show you how this looks. So we are in Power Rename. So it's basically a Windows shell extension for more advanced bulk renaming using search and replace. Okay. Now we'll go through the article as well. Now if you click on this link here, it will show you what does this Power Rename utility does. Okay, and how to use it. Okay, so it's a nice bit of documentation, and we will make use of a regular expression over here, and then you can take an example from here. What they do is, like over here in this example, it says it searches for a file with a given file name, okay, and then search for power and replace with say super. Okay, uh, at the same time you can uh, do a lot of other things, like you can enumerate through the items, you can put a start counter, you can put a padding, you can do a whole bunch of things. Okay, now let me first show you the basic functionality. Okay, now in the basic functionality, uh, let me go into this folder. Okay, now let's assume this is what the file you may receive. Okay, and then you want to rename this file. Okay, so now there is a common pattern over here. You will see copy written over here, right? So maybe if I select this file, okay, and on the right click, uh, I will be able to see something. I did a right click, click on show more options in Windows 11, and then I say power rename. Now, the moment I click on it, it will open an application. And let me open this application side by side. It will show you the file which you have selected. Now, the first one, it says, let me close this window and let me show you this. Okay, so it says search for something. So search for, say, let's say the word copy. Okay, and see what happens on the right hand side. Search for the word copy and then you replace it with some characters over here. Now these characters are formed using this regular expression. Okay, now for time being, let me cut this and let me show you a simple example. If I replace copy with say Girish, then what happens? This is what the resultant file will look like. Okay, so let me take this example first, and it says file name plus extension or just file name. You can select that, and here you can include files, you can include folders, you can include subfolders, and the text formatting option can be all lowercase. So like this, you see here it's all lowercase, it's all uppercase, title case, okay, and so on and so forth, right? So I'm good with this. Let me apply this. Okay, the moment I apply this, watch what happens over here. It renamed the file. Okay, and I close this now. Now again, coming back here, let me again select this some files, and if I do a show more option and say power rename, now this time what I'm going to do is, like, wherever I find Girish, I need to replace Girish with and add something. The the thing which we was there earlier, it was like a regular expression, so I pasted that again. So let's go into this regular expression. Okay, let me remove all the other complexity and take this off. It says $MMM. So that means that is the month name, OCT, October, dash dollar DD. And I can put any other character as well over here. I can put say star as well. Okay. And I can put anything, whatever I want in the file name. But make sure that your file name is compatible with the operating system which you are editing with. Now here I am replacing Girish with Girish and the date time. Okay, now if you want the date time to be in your specific format, you can do that as well. So if I want it in say DD, MM, YY, and if I want YY, I can put that as well. And if I want the month name to be in this format, I can do that. So you see, this is how I can rename the file. Okay, and then I will just say click on apply, and then the file will be renamed as you see over here. So, and go through the documentation, and within the documentation you will be able to see a whole bunch of other regular expression characters like I showed you, YY, YMM, DD. But there are other things, HH, minute, seconds, milliseconds, and there are like other complex things in regular expression as well, like match the beginning, match the end, and all those sort of things you can put it over here. So that's it, folks. This is all about Power Rename. Please have a look into it. Thanks for watching.